look at this. Look at it! So I'm going to use this to see how it works on my hair. Now, I was debating this whole time if I wanted to do a twist out or a braid out. But I feel like with my natural hair, it's kind of closer to like a twist out than it is like a braid out. Because I really want to see what we working with here, people. I'm going to start on this side so y'all can see. I'm going to split those sections up and go ahead and get cracking. So if y'all don't know, the consistency of shea butter is like crazy. So I'm going to have to do a lot of like swiping like this. And it comes up. Too hard. So I'm gonna get it and rub it in my hands. It gets smooth quick. So it's like this. It's almost like Vaseline when I put this much, but like not as thick. I don't know. So I am going to coat my strands with this. Maybe I should separate the two first so you can see. Going and heading. I'm separating the two. And I'm just gonna swipe until I feel like it's enough. You know, just like a chunk that you do normally. Haha, sorry, it's the back finger. I'm rubbing it and I'm going to rub and lay hands on my scalp. So all of it can retain the moisture. So let's see what it's doing to my hair. See? Seems like yeah, that's better. Okay. Feels kind of thick on my hair. Just because it's coated on my hand, it feels like it's like heavy and weighted. But as you can see, it's still flowy. So we're gonna see. I don't want to overdo it and put too much, so we're gonna stick with the amount that I just put. Make sure it's all in my hair. Like I said, I like to feel detangle. You can see it's really easy to detangle with. I already like did my deep conditioner and stuff, so that's another reason why it's easy to detangle with. And I definitely feel like it's coated. I like what I'm seeing here, guys. So I'm gonna get it. I'm not gonna do a 3-strand. I'm literally just gonna do a 2-strand twist. Make it taut. Get it right to get it taut. Okay, I'm back. So I actually added additional at the front of my hair because the front of my hair is thick, and so instead of having that one part here, I split it into two and made each one into two, so 4. So I have a total of 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Yay! So this is how much product I use, which is like, if you have natural hair, you know that ain't a lot. So I'm excited to see how this will be. I'm just gonna sleep with my satin bonnet. I love the juiciness. I know they're gonna be, I just know they're gonna be juicy tomorrow. And I'm here for it. So we're gonna see. Here's an up close. We're gonna see how it goes. So I'm gonna tune in with y'all tomorrow, you see. Alright, bye. Yes, so I have this oil, it's jojoba oil, it's organic, so they say, you know, we never really know. Probably none of this stuff is, but hey. So I'm just gonna literally put a little bit, and I'll tell you all the different benefits on there when I look them up. But it's like, it's not supposed to clog your pores and stuff, and it's super light. And I usually put it on my face too. Like literally everything I put in my hair, I use it on my face routine. Cause it's like a little light oil to get that glow. But I didn't put none on today. I just used shea butter. So I put on my little hand. I'm gonna take it. Let's see. Ooh, you see, you look delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna get it and I'm just gonna unroll them. Oh yes, honey. And I do kind of fluff as I unroll one. There's no point in going back and redoing the work, you know? Work smarter, not harder. My takedown is terrible, y'all. I don't have the patience, but you're supposed to have the patience. So I've been working on it slowly but surely. I get a little excited sometimes. My fingers just be going. So I'm definitely gonna try to be aware of that. And just look at the takedown, y'all. Like, let me turn this off. Coming to y'all live, okay? Like, this is some juiciness here. And it don't feel like heavy. Like, just wait till I finish it. Just wait till I finish it. Yes, I like to fluff and shake. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hopefully you don't mess my hair up. Did anything change? Yeah. Low-key, I feel like the oil probably wasn't even as necessary. But I'm about to go get my pick. So y'all can see the process from start to finish, because honey, I'm living right now. I'm living, because my hair looks so good. Like, let me stop playing with it. Like, this is right off. That's what I said. I said the same thing. So let me go ahead and I low-key need to get ready so I can see when I'm walking out, but I'll probably put my clothes on, come back, and finish my hair. So BRB. Hello, I'm back here. I was trying to find an outfit, so don't mind that. I am usually a fan of a side part, but I think I'm gonna just let it kind of just flow and be itself. So I got these little, I got so many, it's like 50, and they were from Amazon, y'all, and it was like $7 for 50 instead of buying 5 for $5.99. So of course I want this, and it's satin too, so the girl curl's gonna be lifted. So even I might even bring that one to the side here, just to kind of not even stretch it, but just to separate it so I can fluff it, because I don't want to stretch and all that comes gonna go. I don't know why is it when I get notifications my camera turns off, but only certain notifications. But y'all, just really look at this. Look at it! So big. So if you want maybe like even more defined, you can go smaller. But every time I do small, it don't give me like this big volume mushroom head that I like, and I'm here for it. You know what I'm saying? And then the rollers at the ends definitely is what's like the shape that you're seeing. I definitely feel like the rollers at the end made all the difference. But honey, get into it. I can't even see, but like y'all. So I'll show y'all the look that I'm going for with pictures. But I honestly think, I don't know, these are the tights that I'm wearing, and I low-key feel like they my mama's. I don't know if she gave them to me, because they just ended up on my door. So I said thank you, okay? Look at it. Look at it. We're going to do a 3, 6, 6. 8, 8, 8. I love it. I love it. Until next time, I'm sending you positive vibes, peace, love, and all of this prosperity. Get into it, people. Get into it. Y'all, peace.